Welcome to day 3 of the cruise. Today is just a day at sea, which pretty much means that we're just gonna relax, and there's a bunch of activities on the boat, so we'll probably check out some of those. And I think I'm also gonna do a boat tour today. So as you can see, we're kind of going past Turks right now. So Bree and TJ, where you were a couple weeks ago, is just right kind of over there somewhere. There's a fruit sculpting demonstration right now.
Michael made a dog for us. Isn't he pretty? Michael, what did you make us? Is it a dog? Squirrel.
So that's the New Yorker.
Well, we have a couple hours until the next activity, so it's time to take you guys on a boat tour. Starting from right outside our room, we're on the very top deck, so we have to take these stairs everywhere we go. The hallway by our room comes right outside to the top deck, where all the activities are.
There you go. What was it like growing up with David Hasselhoff? There's a lot of booze. Oh, he didn't say booze. Never mind. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at him go!
This is one of the coolest features on the whole ship. It's basically a walkway that's suspended over 200 feet above the water. It's really sketchy, but it's sweet. It has a glass floor. And this is what it looks like from below. The top deck also has a bunch of areas for different type of sports. And this is where the giant diesel engines are that power the whole ship. Now we are in the piazza. This is a giant area directly in the middle of the ship. Pretty incredible. This video doesn't do it justice at all. It's massive. There's also various restaurants and lounges randomly scattered around the piazza. And this is my favorite part of the ship. It's the lowest deck that you can actually go outside on, so it's kind of right near the water. And there's not as much activity going on down here, so it's more relaxing. And basically covers the entire length of the boat, so you can go from front to back. Well, tonight we're getting dressed up for dinner, and it specifically said no hats. It is formal night, and don't we look fantastic?
Gems were not shiny.
They come clean. Okay.
Thank you.
Great, just what I need to be tipsy walking on heels. I don't ever want to like eat this.
We can see on our way a little bit further out.
They let us, yeah.
When it's time, just by then, stand to